Hello and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop quick tip. Today we're going to do a quick and easy one here. Super fast to do. And I'm going to teach you how to add a border to any image you like. So I've got this image already up here on the screen. I just got done editing it. And I says, okay, it'd be kind of nice to put a border around this. A little artistic touch. And so I said, okay, well, let's do a video to show how easy it is. Okay, so this is how you would be with one image, one layer, and you notice it has a padlock symbol on the layer. We need to double click on that, and that will unlock, and just hit OK. That'll unlock the layer for you. Okay, so now that the key's gone, and if you like, you can, for security, Command and Control J to duplicate, and we can turn one layer off just for safety. All right, so now we have a duplicate layer, okay, and now we're going to increase this picture so that we can put a border around it, because right now the canvas size and the picture are equal, and we need to have some space put around the whole picture, and in order to do that, we're going to increase the canvas size, okay. Now, it's very important. There's a difference between image size and canvas size. Easy way to think of it is just like a canvas, right? If you got a larger canvas, you would have a border around it, right? An empty space. If you increase the image size, you're actually just increasing the entire thing, right? So the image will get larger, and that's not what we want. So we want a canvas size. So I'm going to increase the canvas size. Come here, this dialog box open, and I'm going to make sure that I can work within inches and make sure relative is selected. Okay, very important. So I'll make sure relative is selected. Make sure that you are selected in the center. Okay, the reason for that is because we want the expansion to go out equally in all four directions. And the amount, easy way to think of this is how big of a border do you want? If you want a half-inch border, you have to add 1 inch because there'll be a half-inch on each side. So I'll go ahead and do that here. I'll do a 1 inch and a 1 inch, and that will give me a half-inch in each direction on this picture. So I've got that all good, relative, we're in the center, and we hit OK. And there we go. We've got a nice transparent border now. Okay, and we're just going to come down here and add a solid color adjustment. And you get to pick whatever color you want to have your border to be. Just go through and select your borders. I'll just pick a white here, and it'll be a white background. Now I'm going to drag this layer below, and you notice we now have a image with a half-inch border in each direction. And you can do this any which way. You can come in here and double-click on the fill layer, and you could change the colors. You could make your border anything you wish. Okay, it's entirely up to your creative process what you want with your image. For now, I'm going to keep mine white and going to continue on. So that looks good, but I think we could go one step further with the border. Maybe put another border inside this border to give it that matte effect. So in order to do that, I'm going to click on my image with the background on it, and I'm going to come down here to this FX area, which is special effects. I'm going to click on that, and then I'm going to select stroke. All right, and you can make the stroke as big or as wide as you want. Now you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, just make it as big as what you want aesthetically. You can change the color here as well. Okay, just come in and select whatever color you want it to be, and you can just do that. And when you're happy, you just simply hit OK. And there you go. you've got a nice picture with a nice border, a nice mat around it, and it took literally less than a minute. So there you go. There's your tip for this week. I hope you guys are enjoying the holidays. And until next week, you guys take care.